Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Afterpay at Woolworths. So basically you can just directly search it here also, and I'm showing you. So to use the Woolworths at Afterpay Woolworths, so here we can see the gift card Woolworths. Okay, so here we can just open here our Woolworths. Okay, so you can just go to Woolworths Supermart, buy grocery online. So here you have to just log in and do everything, and after here you can just select any product. So here let us do as our Oreo ice cream. Oreo tub ice cream, and just do it here. Okay, so at here you can see. So from here you will just add to cart, $5 here. So here you will just to check out. So from here you will just log in. After doing login, you have the option to use your Afterpay. So Afterpay also provide your virtual card. So from their virtual card, you can directly payment it here. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share your video. Thank you for watching.